Here we are on World Environment Day 2010, June 5th. We're on True Blue Beach in the middle of a beach cleanup. Actually, we're toward the end of the beach cleanup. That's when everything is clean. Over there's Ryan Hudson. He's the president of the Public Health Student Association. He's doing well. Very interesting point I'd like to make is there is a local sitting in the tree right there watching us. Sometimes they'll join us, usually they won't. He looks busy. There's some more students over there. I'll zoom out a little bit here. You can see it's not exactly an ugly setting that we're in. This is True Blue Beach in Grenada. It's nice. We're under the shade of a tree here, which is nice. Of course, the shade seems to attract the trash, probably because that's where people hang out. And so, this is the beach cleanup for World Environment Day 2010 at True Blue Beach.